morning. So, cooking ingredients are, after a long time, I will show the cooking vegetables. Come on. Sweet corn and carrot and onion and then beans and coriander. The cauliflower boiled because too many insects, the bacteria will die. So it is really safe. Salt and pepper. Now we'll look little bit ghee first. See, it's melted. The onion. Carrot. Be careful. Now I need some salt. Golden brown. Put the cauliflower. Water. So water is very precious. In that case, let it boil for 10 minutes. The soup turned into a consistency because pounded ginger and then coriander, then the pepper. Now I take it with the corn flour and then mix it with the water. Mix. Oh dear, the food gets cold. It might be happened. Smell is delicious. Everyone likes smelling things. When they are good at smelling things at fun. This is the rainy season, so hot soup is yummy. Now the soup is ready. I switch it off. Hi, soup is ready. Next time I will make it a different soup, like your genius kitchen.